small talk that you're coming with.
It really was something. You sang your heart.
You know, I tried my best, especially being so pregnant. I did my best, you know. Yeah, it's nice. I was big.
You were ready to go.
But it's amazing to be able to
Yeah, well, you made us all very, very proud. The problem is that what the first ladies talked about is the ASEAN, where they expect now a really high level of performance and of physicality. That's why we got the best.
Oh, thank you. I will give you my best.
Oh, thank you. That's very good. That's more than enough. Oh, my.
Guys, excited.
You're coming there. That's so sweet.
Yeah. It's really nice. Yeah.
We'll be in Cebu. And the convention.
Kevin again.